Okay.
Come on, Texans! Let's go, offense!
Okay, Texans line up. Another outside run. But Keyshawn might break it. Go. There he goes. Wow. Keyshawn on about a 30-yard run. Yeah. Brings down a first down. Hurry up! They're going to call the halftime. Texans line up.
There he is, wide open. Oh, good pass.
All right, now it's 32-0 Texans on a about a 30-yard pass. Doesn't look like there's any penalties. About a 30-yard pass. I think it was 32-0 Texans. 32-0 Texans. Late first half. 2-point conversion. Quarterback sneak. 34-0 Texans. 34 formation. Looks like another. Oh, he's close. Looks like he was in. No, he was in. Hey, that ref doesn't even have a flag. You know, he don't have a flag or nothing. He don't have a watch. Nothing. Never seen a ref without a flag. Can't pull it out because he got his shirt down. So he even got a flag today. Another high snap. Deep pass. Good catch. Beautiful. Cash back.